Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a date to a particular recipe on the SmartThings application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then tap on the live button down below and tap on cooking. Then you will be directed to your personalized cookbook. Tap on a recipe and click on this calendar and plus icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Then choose a date for this recipe, click on the button add down below, and as you can see, it has been added to your meal planner. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.